BJP Vijay Yatra with Yogi touch in Kerala. The Bharatiya Janata Party is leaving no stone unturned to perform their best in the forthcoming assembly elections in Kerala. The party is aiming to make their presence in the assembly from a percent single to a double-digit figure. The BJP has reasons to be confident to change the game in Kerala thanks to their slow but steady growth. The condition of the Congress party coupled across India is pathetic, and this could reflect in Kerala too. The Marxist party is undergoing the worst ever political turmoil with very many corruption charges and illegal affairs by its leaders and party. These factors could fuel the spirit of BJP in Kerala. That apart, the presence of high-profile leaders of the Saffron party could well grease the BJP wagon, aiming for 10 or more seats in the 2021 April elections. Aiming at expanding its footprint in Kerala, BJP's central leadership has decided to bring in leaders outside the state in their programs in the poll-bound Kerala. The presence of the Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath in Kasaragod last day has energized BJP workers, well-wishers, and even those who have no political interests. Yogi Adityanath's reference of love jihad and the failure on the part of the Kerala government for taking steps against it despite the High Court commenting on the issue would awaken up the Hindu community. Pointing out that UP enacted law against love jihad, UP CM alleged that Kerala kept mum on the issue. He criticized the government for acting against the Hindu sentiments in Sabarimala, whereas his state was going ahead with Ram Mandir. Thanks to their corrupt motives, both the CPIM-led and the Congress-led governments which ruled the state have failed in taking the state forward, the UP leader observed. The BJP veteran also ridiculed the Pinarayi government for its pathetic performance in COVID-19 control. The virus has been by and large under control in 24 crore populated UP, he pointed out. The Vijay Yatra is expected to consolidate the BJP's position more solidly and strongly to gain a good percentage of votes in the coming elections. Vijay Yatra is being led by K. Surendran, the young and energetic state president of BJP. The Yatra is expected to enthuse the Modi fans as well as the fence sitters whose votes could swing the election results. Many more high-profile leaders of BJP are expected to address people during the Yatra, which will cover all the 14 districts in the state. Vijay Yatra will conclude at Thiruvananthapuram, the capital city. The crowd puller at the concluding ceremony of Vijay Yatra will be none else but Central Home Minister Amit Shah. It was recently that the BJP's National President JP Nadda has been in Kerala to discuss organizational matters. The Prime Minister Narendra Modi has also been in Kochi last week in connection with the inauguration of central projects. He had attended the core committee meeting of BJP during the visit. Please subscribe the channel. Also, click the bell button to get the latest updates.